alert, the silent cry. But don't you fear, don't question why. This is not a call to run or hide. It's a call to stand with India's pride. From rooftops high to village land, we move as one, hand in hand. The lights go out, the sky turns still, but our courage burns with iron will. Black out, but never out. We stand strong, we never doubt. This is love, not just defense. Together we build the strongest fence. India is us, we are India, proud and free. Prepared, united in peace or emergency. India belongs to us, and we belong to India. In darkness or light, always one.